a lot of people were like, hey, this guy will never become a CA, this guy will never become a CA. But I had a deal with my dad. Okay, if I finish education, I get to do what I want. So sports was always a part of me. I was the first one in the whole of my extended family to even pursue sports at that point of time. So sports happened, fitness happened. While I was studying for CA, I started coaching people, I started gymming, playing sports. And I came across something in US, I want to do that. I emailed that guy and then a reply karyo. I saw a TV show and I just sent a random email and it worked for me. So I went to my dad, this is a business proposal. He's like, I'll discuss once you clear your CA. So that drove me so hard that I cleared my exams much faster. Okay. And I'm like, here's your degree. Now give me my funds for business or let me do what I want. And he's like, I'll not only let you do what you want, but I'll even, give you that seed fund that you need. So that's how health and fitness started for me.